Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide will help you to remove the ransomware called Xrom. Xrom is the ransomware that encrypts files and adds a special Xrom extension to the files. The research of this ransomware points to the fact that it belongs to the DHARMA ransomware family. Xrom encrypts files and appends the victim's ID, a special email address, and finally this Xrom extension to the files. The good thing is that I have launched this ransomware on a test computer. Now you can see that there are no troubles opening files, but pretty soon after this Xrom ransomware is launched, it is no longer possible to use these files. When I try to open this specific file, I get the message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Xrom extension. And finally, the ransomware drops the ransom note that says your files are encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom for file restoration. So the ransomware drops this special note, and it also drops another text file on the desktop, basically mentioning the same thing, saying that people need to contact the developers using these email addresses. But paying the ransom or contacting the developers does not guarantee that the files would be restored. If you pay the ransom, you may simply lose your money without getting your data recovered. So don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to carefully check the task manager of your computer. Look for any suspicious processes if you find them. Right-click on them and end their task. This can help you stop the further file encryption. Speaking about removing this ransomware, I recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, you need to use Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may also be modified by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software, and then begin researching your system. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of this particular Xrom ransomware. So the program will begin analyzing and researching your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you need to pay careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware, but this feature is the part of the premium license only. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. I strongly advise that you upgrade to the premium license. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.